Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Can you say number one? Correct. In a playground. Number two, to get changed. This means to change your clothes. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. There is a slide in the playground. There is a slide in the playground. Slide. A thing for children to play on. The other one is a swing that goes back and forth. Now we can make a flashcard for slide. Please make a card like this. Write slide up here in the top left corner. S-L-I-D-E. Down here the code N1 IV2. N1 means noun level 1. And over here the number 159 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. Slide. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob will get changed after work. Bob will get changed after work. Get changed with a D at the end. He will take his work clothes off and put different clothes on. Now we can make a flashcard for get changed. Please write the basic form. To get changed. G-E-T-C-H-A-N-G-E-D. Down here, DA1. This means daily activity level 1. And over here the number 12 out of 30. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Get. Chain. Chain. Changed. Get changed. Game over. You did very well today. Did you play on a slide before? Yes, I did. Very good. Do you get changed every day after school? Yes, I do. Correct. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, land. Yeah, this also means the ground. Number 2, Jennifer is an optimist. She thinks good things will happen in the future. Number 3, to rescue somebody. Similar to save somebody. Today is Friday, June 20th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.